The most engaging designs usually have a visual rhythm that keeps the viewer moving through the layout. Today, how to design visual rhythm frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start with a muted beige background and apply a soft gradient for a refined look. Insert a large portrait frame near the center and add 3 smaller frames around it in alternating sizes. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully for consistency. Slightly overlap one of the smaller frames and rotate another by a few degrees to introduce movement. Apply soft shadows to all frames and lower the blur settings until they feel subtle.